Hey people, so yesterday I watched this movie called Malal, and watched as in I wanted to see how these new actors, that is Mizan Jafri and Sharmin Sehgal. It's with names like this you are confused who's the girl, who's the guy. But Sharmin Sehgal is the female is the lead actress, and Mizan Jafri is Javed Jafri's son. So Javed Jafri he has his own loyal fan following. Like he used to host the Boogie Woogie show, the dance, one of the first dance reality shows on TV. So Mizan Jafri, he shows a lot of promise, and he will go on to make a very fine actor because he has that presence. Like if you were to read the reviews online, but the story which has been adapted from a Tamil film, yeah, they just forget that. I mean, it is a Sanjay Leela Bansali film, so you can imagine the scale, and they say any movie by Sanjay Leela Bansali is like he's got the Midas touch or whatever, like, it's very poetic. But the pan India sensibility is very different from a film that was originally in Tamil, so it caters to that Tamil audience. And the music in the South Indian version was stellar. It was like even decades later we remember, we can hum to the tunes. But in this movie, Malal, the music is like you are just riveted with the dance. The music is some sort of noise in the background. I mean, it's hardly that foot tapping, nice kind of music. So, anyway, people, this might seem like almost a bit of a harsh review, but I would say that the lead actors, and in fact the entire supporting cast, the whole film works, but the basic premise and storyline doesn't. So then, like they say, the script in the end is the real hero of the film. So when the script is very, I won't say questionable, but very like, where is this movie going kind. So maybe, yeah, maybe it's a certain audience they are catering to, but no, yeah. And they forget that this film worked in Tamil Nadu. You know, this film had come out when I was in college, I think. So that was a decade, more than a decade ago. But so in that, probably if a film like that is made even today to the Tamil audience, they may not be so receptive as they were 15 years ago. So these factors have to be kept in mind while making a film, yeah, really. So that's my review of Malal, because it's an interesting film that you could watch for Mizan Jafri and Sharmeen Sehgal because they shine. And this film you can catch it on Netflix. Sanjay Leela Bansali film. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.